In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone hotspot not working on other devices. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Personal Hotspot. Make sure that Allow Others to Join is turned on. While you are there, double check your Wi-Fi password and make sure you are using the correct password on the device you are trying to connect. If needed, you can tap on password and change it to something easier to remember. Also enable for the option Maximize Compatibility to improve hotspot compatibility with other devices. After that, head back. Now navigate to the option General. Scroll down and head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Likewise, head back. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This will refresh all network-related settings and often fixes hotspot issues. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, first restart your device, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Following these steps, you will be good to go. Your hotspot should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.